imperative to get adjusted. If you sit all day long and you're texting and you're at the computer and you're flexed forward like this, there's nothing normal about that, and it twists the spine up. And as the twig grows, so grows the tree. So she's like the twig, and she's growing. She's just 11, and she's going to develop now. And it's important that everything be lined up so that she could be as healthy as she was meant to be, strong. Is this or this tender when I touch here or here?
Right here.
On this side? So she's got some tenderness in her sacroiliac joints. And I'm going to work around those joints. This is where posture starts. It starts right down here. How's this in here?
Kind of tender.
That's a little tender. Let's clean that up. Let's turn on the power. Here we go. This is the center of gravity. I'm adjusting the vertebrae. I'm using a handheld instrument. This is called the impulse device. And it puts out an impulse of 40 hertz and it vibrates the bones. That's the frequency we vibrate at, scientists and doctors know. The body utilizes these forces to create balance. And I'm going to check her hips. I'm going to wiggle her hips in and out. I'm going to examine her legs and make sure she doesn't have any knots in the muscles of her legs. But her right hip's just a little limited or restricted. And I'm going to work on the piriformis muscle because she has a little loss of internal rotation of the right hip. And I'm going to go ahead and check it again, and that looks a little better. But her neck is really stiff and locked up. So I'm doing tests to see, pushing with my hands to see if her neck moves properly. And we've helped over 20,000 patients at this center. So you develop a touch, you develop a skill. Doctors of chiropractic have good hands. And I'm moving the bones in her neck in order to get more movement. Movement is life. Living things move. We have to get the movement deep in the joints so that she could develop properly, because as the twig grows, so grows the tree. We make sure that she grows up straight and strong. There we go. And I'm feeling, and there should be good mobility left and right, but we're all under stress. If you're out there sitting at the computer, you might throw your hands out right now, throw your head back. Just give yourself a break, because there's nothing normal about sitting like this all day long, and that's what most of us do. I'm going to line up her shoulders and work on the insertions of the muscles. I'm going to work on the upper trapezius, the scalenus anticus muscle. I'm going to feel with my hands her back, and I can feel this inflammation and swelling in and around the joints of her back. I'm going to line up her backbones, her vertebrae, and make adjustments here too, and make adjustments over the ribs as well. I'm going to feel with my hands, and if any area is inflamed, and I could feel it right here, if it's inflamed, if there's swelling there, if the bone is not moving properly, I'm going to instill movement, and that's called an adjustment. Right, Heaven?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. That's the way. So we're turning on the power. And we all have power, life, and energy rushing through us, some more than others. When everything's lined up, energy rushes through from above, down, and from the inside out. To complete us, you have to have a functioning nervous system. So we'll do some advanced tests today. We'll check her leg lengths. We'll do what's called a leg length analysis. And I want to make sure that she walks out of here straighter than the way she walked in, and I'm going to make sure that everything's lined up properly before I let her up. Put your right hand on your lower back, please. That looks good. That's even. And that's even too. Arm back to your side. Left arm on your lower back. Thank you. That looks good. That's even. That's even as well. Put both hands on your lower back. Ideally, her feet should be even during each test. Arms to your side. So these are recognized tests used by doctors throughout the world. Right arm to the side of your head. Right arm to the side of your head. Thank you so much. That looks good. Arm back to your side. And during each test, the feet should be even. And so far, so good. She's doing well. Left hand to the side of your head. Arm back to your side. Turn your face to the right when you can. And then turn it to the left. Thanks for listening. Head in the center. Thanks for paying attention. That looks good. Lift your head up, please. Super duper. This is a leg length analysis we're doing. Tuck your chin towards your chest. Relax. Tuck your chin in and hold it in. Press your face straight into the table. Good for you. Pull your shoulders off the table. Let's see what happens then. Looks good, lady. Is there anything you'd like examined in particular today? That you'd like checked in particular? Right in there. Let's do it. Let's check it out. Here we go. So I always ask patients before they go if there's anything they'd like to examine or checked in particular. Just to make sure that we do it all. Is there anything else you'd like checked today? I'm gonna lift you up. Here we go. You feel yourself move up. Take a deep breath in.